try to play it, but you're never gonna be.
Audi redefines aerodynamic design with the stunning Q2 Aero Concept 2026, a compact SUV sculpted not just by wind tunnels, but by imagination. This isn't your standard Q2. This is a next-gen, fully electric, design-focused statement, sleek, sharp, and utterly futuristic. Painted in a subtle, refined matte sky blue, the Q2 Aero glides visually like a quiet storm. Its body is clean and fluid, with uninterrupted panel lines, flush contours, and integrated smart sensors that blend seamlessly into the skin. At the front, you're greeted by piercing, wing-shaped micro-LED headlights and a glowing 4-ring Audi logo that appears to hover within a shadowbox grille. The front fascia has no traditional intake. Instead, it features adaptive airflow channels that open and close based on speed and cooling needs. The sleek bumper is highlighted by ambient lines that pulse when the vehicle is charging or braking. Around back, the taillights form a continuous, razor-sharp arc across the hatch. Animated, responsive, and ultra-thin. The hatch itself has a clamshell design with embedded active spoilers that deploy during acceleration. A sculpted diffuser and minimalistic bumper reinforce the vehicle's high-performance personality. From the side, the Q2 Aero is all about fluid motion. The silhouette gently curves like a drop of water, enhanced by carbon fiber inlays and matte sky blue body panels that reflect like soft clouds. Hidden suicide doors open inward, revealing an edge-lit Audi badge on the sill, and seamless transitions between exterior and interior. Step inside and you're greeted by Audi's vision of intelligent minimalism. The cockpit is crafted in pearl white and sky blue Alcantara with glass fiber textures, a floating central display with gesture control, and a panoramic digital HUD that flows into the windshield. Ambient lighting changes with your mood or driving mode, and active noise cancellation makes the cabin feel suspended in time. Under the hood, visible through a semi-transparent blue panel, the Q2 Aero houses Audi's quad-link drive system. 4 ultra-compact electric motors, each directly mounted to the wheels. Each motor glows with icy blue LED rings and is cooled by a high-speed liquid loop system. A crystalline energy core, positioned dead center, pulses like an artificial heart, managing torque vectoring and performance calibration in real time. Silent, precise, and stunning, this powertrain is as much an art piece as an engineering marvel. The 2026 Audi Q2 Aero concept isn't just a step into the future, it's a leap into aerodynamic elegance, where design and performance are perfectly balanced in a compact, luxurious form.